Hey there, Candoers, and welcome to today's featured product announcement. Today we're going to be taking a look at how viewports work in Candu. Viewports are an awesome new feature that allow you to resize the Candu editor so that it matches where you're publishing your content. Let's start with these controls at the top. If you're publishing Candu into a dashboard, that's going to be a little wider than the editor screen is right now. So you can update the width to match your dashboard size. Let's say 1440. Now you'll see that the content stretches across a wider space. Alternatively, if you want to publish content to, let's say, a sidebar or a navigation section, you might want to update this to, let's say, 400 pixels. Those cards look okay. You can also use this handler right here to move content in and out to see how it looks at different responsive widths so that you can update your settings to make sure it looks good at all sizes. If you're working in something like this and these cards look a little small and you want to get a better view of them, you can zoom all the way in to really get deep into these cards. Alternatively, if you've set the width to be pretty wide, let's say back to that 1440 width, and this is a little too zoomed in for you, you can always bring it back out to get a look at what the whole thing looks like. If, like me, you're a big scroller and you get off the page, you can always use this center button to bring yourself back home. One other thing that I really like is we've added this ability to make the editor a little wider for you, so you can get a better view of how content looks before you go to publish it. You can always move out the palette and the toolbox to get a full screen dashboard width. And then when you're ready to make edits, you can bring them back onto your page. And that's it for Viewports. Thanks for attending today's featured product announcement, and please try it out. Thanks.